Hi traders, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex, and I'd like to introduce you to the advanced version of my new Fusion Ultimate Alert System. This is the multi-time frame zero lag MACD indicator, which is in the bottom of every chart, and the purple line is the zero baseline, and the yellow line is the 4-hour trend, and the orange line is the daily trend. If one or the other is above the purple baseline, then that tells you that the trend is either up or down or flat. This is the middle window, which is the CCI, which is in the advanced version but not the basic version, and it shows you trend and momentum. And so the purple or the blue trend bars are showing you the strength of the trend, and then the yellow line is the trigger line, and if it crosses the 100 line, then that is your trigger for an entry, either buying or selling. And I placed the red and green lines to show you how they look and work together. This is the pound US dollar and the 15-minute chart. This shows you everything that comes on the template, and it looks a little busy, but once you get used to the indicators and you see how they all work together, then it actually becomes very simple. Basically, when all of the colors are the same, that they agree, then you would either sell or buy. We have white X's that show you consolidation or flat no trade areas. There are Fibonacci levels. We buy and sell directly from each Fibonacci level, and everything is coordinated with the CCI and the MACD. This is the pound US dollar in the 1-hour chart, basically showing you the Fibonacci levels, support and resistance, levels 1, 2, and 3, which we buy or sell from. So you would always enter at a Fibonacci level and then also exit at a Fibonacci level. That makes it really easy to see your targets. And the middle window, which is the CCI window, actually, because it's a trend and momentum, it can show you divergence. If you know anything about divergence, you'll like that feature. This is the pound Aussie in the 4-hour chart. For those of you that like to trade 4-hour or daily, you can actually use this very easily. Just enter and exit at the Fibonacci support and resistance lines, and from this chart you can see that a 1 p.m. Eastern is a good entry, a 9 a.m. Eastern or a 9 p.m. Eastern are good entries, and then you just would exit at the Fibonacci support or resistance lines, which actually do adjust automatically at 5 p.m. every day except for Friday. Then they adjust Sunday at market open. This is the pound New Zealand in a 15-minute chart. Because you can trade this system, you can scalp from the 1 minute, or you can day trade or swing trade in H4 or daily, anything that you like. Just remember that we always buy and sell, or we always buy and exit at one of the Fibonacci levels, and they're always on your chart. They do readjust at 5 p.m. Eastern daily when the new market day starts. And the MACD in the very bottom window, you'll learn in other videos how to use that. This is a pound yen in a 5-minute chart if you like to scalp. Scalping in a 5-minute chart, you can enter at approximately 9:30 or 10 in the morning Eastern time, right after the US stock market opens, and take a quick 15 pips or more. Avoid trading when you have the white X's and the trend lines are very tight. That is a consolidation area. Your best scalp trades will have the MACD in the bottom window, the yellow 4-hour line trend, and the orange daily trend should be on the same side of the zero purple line. This is a Euro USD 15-minute chart, which you can scalp in. And again, right around the US stock market open at 9:30 a.m., you can look for a trade. And it can be very quick, or stay in for about 2 hours until 12 noon Eastern. And you'll learn more about how to scalp in more videos that you'll have access to. And the MACD in the very bottom window, you can see that when the yellow line and the orange line are straddling the purple zero line, it's a flat trend area. There's no real clear trend. This is the Euro 5-minute chart, and you can see that the stock market opened at 10 a.m. Eastern. The price just blasted past the resistance 3 of Fibonacci, and it went all the way up until approximately 11:15 a.m. and it hit the green triangle breakout target, because this system does have a triangle indicator, a triangle breakout indicator, which gives you targets in any time frame. So there will be more training videos which go into more depth, and especially we're going to concentrate on the Fibonacci levels, because the support and resistance is where you can take partial profit when your price hits that, or you can enter a new trade or exit a trade. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in future videos.